Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to wrap text in cell here in Smartsheet. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here with Smartsheet, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Wrapping text in a cell in Smartsheet is a straightforward process that allows all the content to be visible without cutting off the text, especially when dealing with long entries. Once you are logged into your Smartsheet account, I want you to go to the file that you're working with. In my case, this is going to be the file. I'm going to click on it and then... Now, there is a manual way to wrap a text if you drag this specific row, like this one, for example. You see? You can do that, right? But we wanted to, that is just manually adjusting the column width. If you don't want to increase the row height, of course, you can just widen the column to fit the content. But what I wanted is the automatic text wrapping. For example, I have put in around here. Say, for example, this one. Now, I'm going to put a long text. As you can see, we can't read it. We can, again, manually adjust the column. But the easiest way for the automatic text wrapping is click on this button that says wrap. Make all text visible within a cell by displaying it in multiple lines. If you do that, you see, you would be able to see all the text, right? However, if the row height is too small, it may still appear to cut off, all right? But that's the easiest way to wrap a text here in Smartsheet. Now, if you're using the Smartsheet mobile app, okay, long text will automatically wrap in cells and you can scroll within the cell to view the content. So they work differently. As you can see, my column width is already adjusted. So I no longer need to wrap this up. See? It's already wrapped. If I unwrap that, you see, I can't see all of the text. You see that? I'm going to unwrap all of this so you can see the difference. I'm going to select all of them all at once. Now it became go to wrap, and that's that. All right. As you can see, wrapping text helps maintain consistent row heights and column widths across all your sheets, leading to a cleaner and more professional presentation. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.